I came to a point where I needed more money. And I asked the boss, I said, I need more money. He was paying me $17 an hour. And I said, this is not enough, I want more. He goes, well, we can't afford more. And I said, you know what, if you're not gonna give me more, I'm gonna have to quit and find something else. And within 2 days, I quit. I quit. In these 2 days, I was talking to my brother who lives in Sweden, and he said, I live in Canada. And he goes, why don't you try roofing? I said, roofing? He goes, yes, you can be your own boss. You don't need a lot of tools, a compressor, a van, and a couple other tools, and you can start a roofing business. Okay, that's fantastic. You can make more money. And I worked there for 3 days. I said, okay, I can't do this. I want something on the ground. I can't be on these peaks. I was so afraid. I have pictures like at the time. And I said, I don't want to do that. Like that, I really don't want to do roofing. I want to do something on the ground. So obviously I quit and I started construction. And from there I said, okay, construction, that's fine. And I used to start at 6 in the morning until 8 p.m. Then I said to myself, you know what? This is not something I want to do. This is not a life. Like, I don't want to spend all these hours at work. There is other things to do. Like, I wanted to go to the gym and enjoy my time and go with my friends, and I couldn't do that. Like, so that type of a business, I didn't like. I didn't want that type of a business. So that's where I, again, 21 days,